Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to go back to the early 80s and review a great country rock song called Driving My Life Away, of course made famous by Eddie Rabbitt. Writers on this great song, Eddie Rabbitt himself, David Malloy, and another gentleman named Even Stevens. Driving My Life Away peaked at number 5 on the Billboard Hot 100 and number 1 on the Hot Country Songs charts in 1980. Now before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. So what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know. Then we're going to perform an acoustic lounge cover of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat for my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great country rock song from the 80s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, to get all the way through this great song, you're going to need to know 4 chords. Let's have a look at them now. The first one is an E major. You're going to need to know an A chord. There's a D. And there's one bar chord. It's a C sharp minor. That's it. Those 4 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover. Well, midnight headlight light you on a rainy night. Steep grade up ahead, slow me down, making no time. I gotta keep rolling. Windshield wiping, slapping out a tempo, keeping perfect rhythm with the song on the radio. I gotta keep rolling. Ooh, I'm driving my life away, looking for a better way for me. Ooh, I'm driving my life away, looking for a sunny day. Well, truck stop cutie coming on to me, tried to talk me into a ride, said I wouldn't be sorry. She was just a baby. Hey waitress, pour me another cup of coffee, pop it down, jack me up, shoot me up, flying down the highway, looking for the morning. Ooh, I'm driving my life away, looking for a better way for me. Ooh, I'm driving my life away, looking for a sunny day. said I wouldn't be sorry. She was just a baby. Hey, waitress, pour me another cup of coffee. Pop it down, jack me up, shoot me out. Flying down the highway, looking for the morning. Woo, I'm driving my life away, looking for a better way for me. Woo, I'm driving my life away, looking for a sunny day. All right, let's have a look at the chord progression to this great song. I think if you're a beginner, the biggest challenge that you're going to have is the tempo of this song. It's really quite a quick tempo, and that's going to take a little bit of practice, of course. The good news is the chords are very, very easy. In fact, 95% of the song is taken up with just the E, the A, and the D. The C sharp minor bar chord is only used when you're coming out of the chorus back into the verses, which makes it very, very easy. There's really no bridge in this song to speak of, so it's just really made up of verses and choruses. With that said, let's have a close look now at the verse. Okay, the verse basically starts on the E major chord and really only uses both the E and the A. Very, very simple to play. Let's have a closer look now. Starting on the E major chord. Here we go. Well, midnight headlight blinds you on a rainy night. Steep grade up ahead, slowing down, making no time. But I gotta keep rolling. And that's it. Very, very easy. The E and the A. Let's have a look at the chorus, which incorporates the D and the C sharp minor. The E major also starts off the chorus, but in this case, we're going to incorporate all four chords into the chorus. The E, the A, the D, and the C sharp minor. Let's get started. On the E, here we go. Woo, I'm driving my life away, looking for a better way for me. Ooh, I'm driving my life away, looking for a sunny day. And that's it. Very, very easy. This song is fun to play and easy to learn. There you have it, Driving My Life Away, written and performed by the legendary Eddie Rabbitt. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.